Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you the next car that's coming up for a full paint job. Let's begin. Alright guys, this is the next car that's coming up for a full paint job. As you can see, it has some designs. This is a candy paint job, but they did a horrible job on it. Even the clear is cracking. You can tell, you can see it, but all this, it's like blotchiness. I don't know if you can, the camera's picking it up. Let me take you to the other side. This is a 50th anniversary Challenger, I'm sorry. Right there guys, you can see it. For some reason the clear cracked. I had never seen that before. It's crazy. It does have some flames that have been I guess thrown, which are not that good of a job. They did not remove the wide body kit in order to paint it. Right there again, you can stick a nail to it and you can see, you can feel it, and you can hear it, that the clear is cracking really bad guys. So we're gonna do this car justice and we're gonna respray it. Also, the candy is already getting burnt. I don't know what candy paint they used, but it is getting burnt already, which looks nasty. So we're gonna make this car the way it's supposed to be. It is like I mentioned, it is a 50th anniversary Challenger right there. So we're gonna remove the wide body and we're gonna scrape it down. We're gonna do this car right. And what color it's gonna go? It's gonna go it's called Smoke Show. Sorry, it's called Smoke Show Gray from Dodge. That's the color that we're gonna paint it. We're not gonna paint the top, we're not gonna paint this, and we're not gonna paint the trunk. We are gonna paint inside the door jambs and everything else. The door jambs weren't painted. They're still the original factory color, which is maroon, but we are gonna paint it. So this is what's coming up guys. I hope you're in for it. I hope you tune in, subscribe to the channel so you can see this transformation, and let's do this. All right, thank you very much. Like I said, let's try to reach that 200,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year. I know we can do it. So subscribe to the channel guys, hit that thumbs up, and here we go. Like always, stay safe, and I'll see you this coming weekend, and God bless.